We're the Bad Fat Kids. I'm Granite.
And I'm Cedar.
And the best part about our channel is that there's
No parents allowed.
So today we are going to a Ramly Burger. We're here in Malaysia. And yeah, we're going to go order some Ramly Burgers. Hello, do we order here? Do we order here?
Yes, you can place your order here.
Okay, can we get burger item? Do we have chicken burger?
Chicken burger,
And a beef burger?
a beef burger, one chicken burger,
Yeah.
one beef burger,
Yeah.
one beef burger, double with egg.
Yeah. And then,
So 2 packets.
yeah. And then can we have the
Drink.
lemonade? Yeah.
Okay, no problem.
Okay.
One lemonade,
Lemonade, yeah.
one lemonade.
Okay, so we ordered a beef burger wrapped in egg, which is like the famous Ramly style. And then we got a chicken burger because chicken burgers are also pretty good.
Satu double, satu ayam tapi lagi.
But yeah, so here the ice is okay as long as it's factory made. And to tell if it's factory made is if it's like a cylinder with a hole in the middle. Yeah.
Here your drink, son.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll save this actually for our special guest that's coming up later in this video. Yeah, so he's slicing the bread. You can see the bread is super thick. I think he's adding butter. Okay, now he's flipping them. Yeah, I know, Sarah, you're excited for the chicken burger, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so the special is where I think they wrap the egg around it.
Yeah. Alright, so it's just flattening the patties out.
Yep.
So cucumber
Okay, so he's adding cucumber.
and
He's adding
Onion.
onion. So we got cucumber, onion.
sibling.
You want cheese? But yeah, cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah. Okay, so we're adding cheese on it.
Chili.
Cheese.
This one for black pepper.
Okay, so he's putting black pepper sauce on top, and I think he put some kind of red sauce. So I think it's like chili.
Mayonnaise.
Now he's putting mayonnaise on top. In the back. Yeah. So yeah. So the thing that I heard about Ramly Burgers is that they put a lot of sauce.
Thousand Island.
Ooh, Thousand Island sauce. Yeah, Thousand Island sauce is like my favorite sauce.
4 sauce.
What?
Yeah.
4 sauce.
We use 4
Four
sauce.
4 sauces. Yeah.
Chili sauce.
Yeah, so they loaded up with sauces.
The red sauce is
Black
chili.
pepper sauce. Mayonnaise and the Thousand Island. Double
Yeah.
beef. Special.
They have a lot of different sauces on top.
So it looks like it's stacked patties.
Oh yeah, double burgers.
Double. Satu. Dia nak wrap terus.
You want
Satu je.
you want
This one chicken only right.
What was it?
you want cheese? Cheese.
Yeah,
One chicken only right.
one chicken. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
You want double? You want single?
Do you want double Cedar?
We can do
You want
some
double
more.
chicken?
We can do double. Yeah.
No problem, right? So double chicken and double beef.
Yeah.
No problem.
Thank you.
Alright, he's dropping the eggs right now.
Okay, so what we hear is really famous that they wrap the patties around with the egg. They cook the egg, put the patties on top. Oh, hey, yeah, and the Worcestershire sauce goes on.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, you can smell all the sauce. That's nice.
Now he's flipping the egg.
Yep. Now he's folding it all up. Nice. And puts it right on top.
Straight out the burner. So we might have to wait till it cools down.
Yeah. Chicken in there, but yeah, okay, cool.
Okay, here you go.
Thank you. So $19.50 for the 2 burgers and the drink.
Alright, so we got our burgers.
Oh man,
Woo.
hot. That is really hot. Look at that. That's just one big messy burger.
I think we should start with the chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, the bottom bun is like
It's like
drowning in
Yeah. And the sauce are just like making it soggy and black. Oh no, you're falling apart, Cedar. Yeah, you can see there, filled, and in the back, all the sauce are falling out. That smells really good.
Okay, it's okay. You want food? You want?
It's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, they're super nice here. They offered us forks and spoons, cutlery, but we're okay. Initial thoughts. This is really good. The bun is nicely toasted. The chicken is cooked perfectly. He put a ton of sauce on there, which adds up nicely, but the one sauce that stands out the most is he put ketchup on there, or the chili, sorry, yeah, the chili. And then he put like, the onions, pickles, cabbage on it. This is a really well-rounded burger.
So yeah, it's really, really, really messy, but the chicken is like, it's kind of like juicy in a way.
Okay, now we are on to the beef, the double patty special beef, and this is the one that I was really excited for because it's wrapped in that egg and with the Worcestershire sauce. So yeah, this is equally as messy, if not more. Oh no. Okay, this is very messy.
Very messy.
The beef is very good, and I think this one's more sweet.
Yeah, this one's more sweet than the
chicken one.
Yeah.
The flavors are better. The egg wrapped around it's really well. The egg shines. I've never had a burger with an egg wrapped around it. I've had burgers with eggs on top and not wrapped around it. And the Worcestershire sauce, you can taste a little bit. But other than the egg Worcestershire sauce and the beef patty, it's all the same. It's got the cucumbers, onions, cabbage, all the same sauces except for the Worcestershire sauce. But yeah, this is an awesome burger.
Yeah, it has like a really nice boost to it when it touches your tongue. Which one do you like better?
I think I prefer the beef one.
Even though they're both really messy, I think I prefer the chicken.
Oh yeah, if you're gonna have a ramen burger, be prepared. But yeah, this is awesome. So you think the chicken one's better?
Yeah.
I think this one's better just because of the flavor. Why do you think that one's better?
I like this one because I think it's more juicy than that one.
And then we also got a drink, which is, there are two drinks. There's a tea, I think, and then there's like a green lemonade kind of thing.
Yeah.
But we're gonna wait for that for when our special guest comes, and we're gonna try it with him.
All right, guys, we got our lemonade here, but at the last second, we decided to get this one.
Yeah, we decided to taste test both of them.
Yeah, but we also have a special guest for these two.
Ready?
Yeah.
Woo, special guest.
Okay, I think I'm gonna go for the lemonade.
First thoughts?
So sour.
So sour. Of course, your face reveals it all.
Do you like it? Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Is it like super sour?
Not super sour, but sweet and sour. Sweet and sour.
Whoa, yeah. Yeah, there's definitely some sourness to that, but it's very sweet. Do you like that one, Forrest?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's sweet, a little bit sour, pretty good, I'd say.
I can't tell if I like it or not.
Yeah, I kind of like it. I like the aftertaste. Okay, it's too sour for you?
Okay, so now we have this, like, I think it's like a...
I think it's iced tea.
Yeah, iced tea.
Forrest, do you want to try this one?
No.
No? Okay.
All right.
Forrest, do you want to try any of the burgers?
No.
Okay, that makes sense because they had some spicy on it.
Yeah, that's definitely an iced tea. You can definitely taste the sugar in it.
Okay, yeah, it's definitely iced tea. For both of them, they kind of added a lot of sugar. I think out of both of them, I think I prefer the iced tea. It doesn't have any milk in it like what most of the teas we had are because it's got that pink color, pinkish reddish. This one's a little bit sour, but yeah, I think I prefer this one.
Yeah, I prefer this one. Alright guys, I think all in all, I like all of it. I definitely recommend it if you're in Malaysia.
Yeah, this was really good. I can see why it's so famous. And you can find these everywhere. But yeah, this was super delicious. It was really good.
Yeah, alright everyone, we're going to finish all of these off and we'll see you in the next episode.
Yeah, if you do eat these, just be prepared to get a little bit of messy hands. Ready, Cedar?
Yeah. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Last one?
Yeah.